All right, now's your opportunity.
For what?
I want to hear him again.
Nose flute.
Make him do the.
You're okay.
This is the most conversational cat I have ever seen.
It's a musical instrument.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay, Edward.
You want a bath, Edward? Edward, you want a bath?
He doesn't bite. He just gets really loud.
Did you hear him? It resembled a no. Watch when he stops. Edward, you want a bath?
This is funny.
Hey, Edward. Edward.
Oh, you're okay.
Edward, do you want a bath?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You should post
You're
him on
okay.
YouTube.
You're okay.
You should so post him doing this on YouTube.
Bye, Edward.